Inside Workflow and Organization, you'll find the SOP Builder. If you want to move the SOP Builder to another part of the Artova app, just click the three dots here and then move it wherever you feel it's best. So SOP stands for Standard Operating Procedure, and it's a way to write down all the steps it takes to complete a task. Most businesses use a standard operating procedure to onboard a new team member to their team. If you're a solo entrepreneur, that isn't really something you need. So I like to use an SOP as a step-by-step reminder of how a process works. For example, if I want to add a step-by-step guide on how to add animated titles into my video editing software, I can create an SOP and edit it here. Then you'll find the steps it takes to complete a task. You fill it out once, and then you can use it every time you go to do the same task again. And if you want, you can mark each step off as complete as you work through it. That way, as you reference back, you can see exactly which step you're at. You'll find a progress summary at the bottom to say what step you've completed. When you first enter the SOP Builder, you'll find these three examples already inside. So for a product launch, you'll see all the steps that I would take if I was going to be launching a new product. It's just there as a guide. But if you want to create your own, just scroll to the bottom and click Create SOP. You'll see the new SOP here, and you can edit it by clicking Edit. Here you can change the title, and you can write the steps by typing in the box. To add a new step, just click the button Add New Step. I like to use the SOP Builder to remind myself of tasks that I don't do very often, but always forget how it works. That way, you're saving yourself so much time in the future because you've got a reference guide here of how something works. All your SOP cards automatically save, and you can delete them by clicking the Delete button here. If you're struggling to write an SOP, you can come to Tova and talk to her about what it is you're trying to set up, and she can give you a hand. You can navigate back to Workflow and Organization or back to your main dashboard.